How we all doing out there? This is Pete. We are at D.I.Y Auto School, and what we're doing is this video is a video to help you out if you are working on 65 through 70 Mustang.
Welcome to D.I.Y Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
This is what the deal is. This is a fastback, okay? And what you're looking at here, this is all the back of it without all the interior in it. Now this thing has specialty clips that are installed, okay? They're installed in the vehicle so you can put all that fiberglass interior into the car. And what happens is when people take that out, it's very hard to locate where that bracketry system will go. So that's what I'm here for. I'm going to show you where all these brackets go. Now I'm in the middle of installing the last of the brackets, and it's taken me several hours to figure out how these go. So I figured I better get on here. I can make a quick video and I can show you where these brackets go. So if my big head gets in the way when I do this, I'm very, very sorry. But we're going to try to knock this out and get it done. So if we look in this area here, we got two clips that are at an angle that face out that way. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to really get a good angle of clips when we get all done. And then these are the ones that are really complicated to figure out where they go. And where these ones actually go, they're going to go up here like this, right there. That's where that goes. And if you're lucky and you actually have a car that has the screw holes, you'll be able to line these up. Now, the screws that I am using on these, I'm not using the old school screws. I am using tech screws, and they're 1/2-inch tech screws. And there's one of them right there. And then what I'm doing, I'm lining these holes up where these go. And the good thing about this is you're going to find out that they only actually go on one way. There is a right and a left to these. So we're going to go ahead and get this in here. If my hand's in the way, I'm sorry. And then we're going to line this one up with that one, which is right here. Like that. And then that's in. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat my process on the other side, and then we're going to get a good look at where all these brackets go. So if you are doing a 65 through 70 Mustang Fastback, Ford Mustang Fastback, you're going to know where all these clips go. Okay, so I just finished putting all of the trim brackets in. Let's go ahead and get a look at where they go so you can figure out what's going on. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that are showing you interior pieces and headliners and putting trim in, but they don't focus on this right here. And if you're restoring your car and you took all these out, or you purchased one or bought one that didn't have them, this is going to be a very, very helpful video to you, trust me. So if we got some backlighting from my window, I can't help it, I'm sorry, but we're going to start right here. This is at the passenger door on the upper part. This is where the door is. This is where our air vent is right here on our Fastback. And then this is our first one right here. You can see where it goes, and we're going to go up the line here. There's that funky looking one. And then we got another one that matches that bottom one. And then we're just going to keep going around. We got 3 of these on the top right here next to the windshield. As we come down here, here's the big giant, what would we call that? Stick tree bug. It's a stick tree bug. Look at that, a tree stick bug. There you go. And then on the back, if we look right here, there's 1, 2, 3. Now these ones here in the back, they're going to be taller than these ones here. These ones here, you're going to have 6 of those. All right, so you'll have 3 on each side. On the back ones, there's going to be 3 of them, and they're going to be a little bit taller. And then we come over here to the left side, and basically it's a mirror image. You got 3 of them right here, and you can see them as I go up the line. There's 3 that go right on the edge of the glass, and actually you can see on the middle one there's a perforated area where it would go. And then also on the top one, I believe there's a perforated area where that one would go too. And then we're going to come over here, right down the door jamb, all the way at the top. You're going to see one of the clips right there. That's the one facing forward. There's your big, ugly, goofball looking one that I don't even know how to explain that, but that's the one that's the oddball of all of them. And it goes right there. You can see that. And then we also got one right below it on the door jamb. So that's basically all of your interior clips for the back of your 1965. Sorry, I forgot the stick tree bug. We forgot that. There's a left and right. There's that one. So that basically completes the video of where all these clips would go. If you purchased a car that doesn't have them, if you need to install them, what you're looking at, just think of a mirror image, left and right, and you'll figure it out. We have one more bracket down here that is actually welded to the floor, and that's your bottom bracket for your fiberglass pieces. And once again, think of a mirror image. That's where that one goes right there. This bracket right here actually goes in the center of the roof by the back windshield. I'm going to show you that. And then there's another one. There's 2 more that are 1 in each corner. Let's go over there and look at that. So since this car is getting a center console put in it, we went ahead and took the middle one and replaced it with this one here. That's where the center colt bolts to, the center console that goes across. And basically all it is map lights. But on each end, I forgot to show you these. I want you to pay close attention. You got one of these on each end. And this is for the chrome that goes all the way across. I'm sorry, the trim. The trim that ties everything together, that goes all the way across and covers all of the back window. So don't forget those 2 right there. All right, you got one there, and you got another one over in that corner there. And then the one that I showed you sitting on the table actually goes right here. But we went ahead and replaced that with that bracket because we are putting a center console in it, or an overhead console. So that is now the conclusion of all your brackets and where they go. Just like that. You see here? Just all rides right down the line there. That's it. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete, putting a 68 Mustang Fastback together and can't get it out of my shop fast enough. We're in the middle of putting the headliner in it, and we got to get this car done and out of here. Take it easy. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete, putting clips in cars and getting ready to paint all the interior pieces, which is not going to be fun. We'll see you later.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.